So hi guys, muna ang bagong ref karon. Settings, then ano, pwede siya i-ano sa Wi-Fi, then sounds, pwede po Amazon. Wow, that's nice. So pwede po ka makapangutana what is the weather today. So that's what. See. Oh, this is really neat. Privacy choice. So that's all the thing. You can check the internet. Oh, nice. That's nice. Wow. You can really, this is really nice. Let's open it. Let's open. Let's open. This is the inside. Wow, I love this ref. If we need to buy a new one, I think I'm gonna, no, my husband don't like this small compartment here. He likes big one. Oh no, this is not, this is enough, I think. The freezer, let's see the freezer. The freezer. The ice, this is the ice. And, oh, that's big. Look at that. So, pwede siya dire, pwede the ice, and then here. Wow. I love that. And ice. Crushed ice, water. So, I wonder how much is this. Look at that. Samsung. The brand is Samsung. Space. Louis Vuitton. Ah, pwede dyan ka makasearch. Nice. So, see? Nice. So, maano siya guys, ang iyahang forma. Nice kayo siya. Ito siyang i-last metal cooling. So, ano siya ang very nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ako na yung pakita sa kumbana. So, pwede siya sa Wi-Fi. So nice.